Hey guys, it's Eileen from Bates Photography. We are having egg problems. Are you guys having the same? Stay tuned, I'm going to talk about it. Where have all the eggs gone? I mean, we have 3 here, and we have an entire spiral here where it should be filled up. And we have 4 girls. So let's talk about this. So we have our 4 babies, 4 healthy girls, and we're not getting eggs too much. Now Jaja, the Polish, I did read that she gives about 2 eggs a week. We get maybe 2 eggs every 3 months from her. So she's like, we don't even consider her an egg layer at this point. We have Lovey, which is the Wyandotte, the black and white, and Ginger. They seem to be the ones that are laying consistently. It's October, end of October, and it's a little bit colder. But this little lady, Marianne, our black Australer, completely stopped laying. So that was crazy. Now, right before Ginger started giving us consistent eggs, she was laying shell-less eggs, and it was getting very concerning, but thankfully that has stopped. So these girls get organic feed. They get oyster shells for calcium. They get electrolytes in their water. They get treats. We have organic mealworm treats for them. I mean, they are moved, so they have free range within that chicken tractor. So this is just so weird. I have heard about feed causing chicken problems. So it's not the feed. Now we do know again that the weather has changed slightly, but I think it's just taking our girls a little bit longer. Perhaps they're not a full year yet. Maybe it's just, I don't know. We have some problems, but we are introducing a Highline chicken breed. We're going to just run a separate flock of 3 because these girls are supposed to pump out eggs, and we figured, we're buying all of the material anyway to keep these chickens, and so we'll have this separate flock coming in hopefully in the next couple weeks, and I'm going to show you guys how they work out. But we're getting them as teenagers, so they're supposed to start laying as early as 16 weeks. And we'll hopefully fill up that egg spirally thing, and we'll have some luck moving forward. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for tuning in. Take care.